Hello guys, welcome to Administration, a 100% legit platform that deals on all type of document manipulations legitimately. So if you haven't liked this video and also subscribe to our channel, please do. It will help the administration go a long way. And I once again welcome you to the 5th episode of Drain. So today we're going to be talking about bank statements, what it means and also what information is needed to make one for you. As you can see, there are different designs of bank statements that you can find from different banks, so it just depends on the bank you want. But I'm gonna be using the Bank of America's bank statement to enlighten you of what a bank statement means and also what information are needed to make one. Okay, so what is a bank statement? A bank statement is a list of all transactions for a bank account over a set period, usually a month. The statements include deposits and withdrawals as well as beginning and ending balance for the period. Now, before we proceed into the information that are needed to make you a bank statement, I'd like you to note something. There are two types of bank statements, which are the individual bank statements and also the business bank statements. They both come in handy. The individual bank statements are for personal accounts, and the business bank statements are for business accounts. So we move forward. Information that are needed to make you a bank statement such as these is first the individual / business name. As you can see here, I'm using a business statement. A business bank statement to explain the process to you, and I'm not to worry also. These are just mere Photoshop documents that I just prepared for this video, especially, so you don't have to worry about your own information or your own bank details being displayed out like this. So we're gonna be starting with the individual / business name, as you can see here, which is Push Forward LLC. This is a space that is supposed to be filled with your full name. This gives the organization you're presenting the documents to the belief and assurance that the documents you presented are actually yours and not photoshopped. Seeing these prevents your documents from being rejected or caught as Photoshop papers. We move right on to the address, which is below the name. Now, the individual / business address is similar to the name because it also carries your important and most vivid information. This is not compulsory though. You can present any address you find befitting as long as it rhymes or tally with the other documents that you presented to the party that is responsible for the inspection of the documents. Now, that's that. We'll move to the account summary, as you can see here. Now, the account summary shows all the transaction that goes on in the account, but in this case it appears in figures and are arranged in an arranged horizontal manner on the statements. Now, for it to be well explained to you, we're gonna be starting with the beginning balance. As you can see, the beginning balance on November 1st, 2021. On that row, we got $309.11. Now, the beginning balance is a column that shows the amount which the account possesses at the beginning of the month, which, in other words, the documents the account balance for the beginning of the month. Now we move on to deposits and other credits. This is a part that shows the amount which has been credited into the account either through physical or mobile deposit on that particular month. Now we're moving on to withdrawals and other debits. Withdrawals and other debits. This is the same as the deposits, but in this case it reads the withdrawal / numerous debits on that month. I think all these are self-explanatory, so I'll just move on to the checks. It is a column that reads the amount of check your account has conceived in that month. As you can see here, the statement has no check. But you can all you got to do is just to let me know the amount of check that your account receives in a month. It'll come in handy because we'll use it to add up to this blank space to help you get the calculations right. Now we move on to the service fees. This is a column that reads the blank. This is a column that reads the bank charges, the bank's charges on all your transactions. I don't know if you get me, but I'll explain further though. The service fees are like the amount with the bank deducts from your account in every transaction you make, because that's how they get their own profits. Now we move forward to the ending balance. Now, as you can see here, the ending balance on November 30th, 2021, which has $436.07. Now, the ending balance is a column that carries the amount you earn in a month. This is this is where the client steps in, because you be the one to decide the amount you want the documents to show you earn in a month. Also, there are gonna be like necessary calculations that will be taken from the beginning balance to the ending balance, but that will be done by the administration. All we got to know is all we need to know rather is your ending balance, the amount you want your ending balance to show that you earn in a month. The remaining calculations will be done by us, and we will reach at the expected end. Also, lastly, we will be needing your account number and also routing number. As you can see, the account number here, it helps us to work on the documents properly and also keep the information vivid in case there will be a cross check or anything, so you won't have problems later on, because I can just forge up an account number for you. But that's if you don't have an account with the Bank of America or any of the specified accounts or any of the specified statements you would rather use. Okay. Okay, so that's that. And every other information you see on this statement will be provided by the administration. Also, if you got a copy of the statement from any bank that you would like to work on, or that you would like the administration to work on for you, it would be great to send a copy of these statements to us, so we'll give you a document that suits your taste for unexpected end. So if you haven't liked this video and also subscribe to our channel, please do, because it will help the administration go a long way. Thank you. And